Hello, welcome to Math Time. It's our problem of the day. It's April 23rd, 2020. So let's get started. We always start with our math norms. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. So if you're home, hopefully you can find someone to talk to about your math. If you can't, that's okay. That's what I'm here for, and we'll work together through this. All right. Our problems of the day. I'm going to scoot my screen over a little bit. There we go. We've got two today. First of all, Courtney's favorite number is between 20 and 50. If you count by 2s, 3s, 4s, 6s, or 9s, you will reach her favorite number. You cannot reach it by counting by 5s, 7s, or 8s. What's Courtney's favorite number? If 23 minus mystery equals 9 plus 8, what is the number that belongs in the box? Okay. I'm going to give you a hint with the first one. I would like you to make a table to figure this out. Okay, so make a table. Make sure you're using a pencil and a piece of paper and make a table to solve the first one. That's kind of a big hint that I'm giving you. And for the second one, I am not going to give you any hints because I think you can do this one all by yourself. I hope you have fun. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, hi, I'm back. I decided to set up a little table here in order to figure out this problem. It says Courtney's favorite number is between 20 and 50. If you count by 2s, 3s, 4s, 6s, or 9s, you will reach your favorite number. But you cannot reach it by counting by 5s, 7s, or 8s. So what is Courtney's favorite number? You know what, in all honesty, I do not have the solutions to these equations. I figure them out with you as we go. Okay, so this is the table that I decided to make, and I am going to count by 2s, 3s, 4s, 6s, and 9s between the numbers of 20 and 50 in order to find this number. Okay, so I'm going to start with 2s, so I can start by 20, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, and so on, right? We're going to go all the way up. 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, okay? And I notice my font's kind of big, so I'm just going to shrink it up here. That's why it's kind of nice. All right. So those are the numbers counting by 2s. So I'm going to do the same thing now counting by 3s. So you can't reach 20 by counting by 3s. So it'd be 21, 24, 27, 30. Then it'd be 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. Okay, so those are the 3s, because then we'd get to 51, so that wouldn't work. All right, now we're going to do 4s. We could do 20, 24, 26, 28, my mind blanked there, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, and then it'd be above 50. Okay, so next we would have to go by 6s, so that's 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So you can see as we're getting higher here, we're eliminating quite a few numbers because when we count by 2s, the list was really huge. I mean, you saw that. It was so huge I had to shrink the font, right? So now we're getting to be 9s. So 9 times 2 is 18. So the next one would be 27, 36, 45, and then it's above 50 because it'd be 54. Okay, So I'm going to look at nines in a process of elimination to make it like a smaller list, okay? So you can count by 2s, 3s, 4s, 6s, and 9s, but you can't count by 5s, 7s, or 8s, okay? So we know that any number that ends in a 5 or a 0 is out, okay? So I'm looking here, up 45 is ending in a 0. Let me get my pen here. Okay, so we know it's not that one, okay? And because that's by 5s. And then I have to look at all the other numbers, okay? So I have a 27. Do I see a 27 here? No. Oh, I see a 27 there. No 27 there. So that's not it. Now, process of elimination is showing us that it's 36. However, I need to check to make sure I can see a 36 in all of these. Because if I can't, then I may have made a mistake somewhere. Oh, counting by 2s, there's 36. Counting by 3s, there's 36. I see it here with 4s. I see it here with 6s, and it's there with 9s. So because I made this table and I was able to check, I know that Courtney's favorite number is 36. Okay, this would have been an easy problem for us to just say, I don't know, it's too hard, can't do it. But it's actually not too hard. You just have to put in the time and make the table, and we could totally figure this out. So never give up. Always persevere and fight through it. Okay, your brain might be saying, oh, it's just easy to just say it's too hard. No, it's not too hard. You can do this. Have a growth mindset and keep pushing forward, okay? I know you can. So now I'm down to this last one. If 23 minus, and I'm going to just call it a mystery number, 23 minus mystery number equals 9 plus 8, what is the number that belongs in the box? So this is, we kind of work backwards on this one. So we figure out what's 9 plus 8. That's 17. Okay, so 23 minus mystery number equals 17. Okay, so then what we need to do is just figure out what's 23 minus 17. 23 minus 17, because that should give us this number. Because remember, it's like the triangle, right? The adding and subtracting triangle. We have 23 up here. We've got 17 here, right? And then we got this mystery number right over here. So, I can't take 7 away from 3, make that a 1. This becomes a 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. So, like 17 plus 6 is 23. 23 minus 6 is 17. 23 minus 17 is 6. See? You can do it. Awesome job. I bet you did do it. The answer to the second one is 6. I hope you have a terrific day. Nice working with ya.